Okay, we're gonna try to repair this shingle right here. Do a attempted repair video here. You can see this shingle is damaged. You can see also some shingles around here. They have lost most of the granules. You can see the fiberglass coming through the shingle already. While trying to remove the old shingle, you can see this one got damaged in the process. Again, these shingles are very brittle. They have lost most of the granules already, and you can see the fiberglass coming through on them. Same with all the other shingles around here. They're in the same condition. While trying to repair this shingle right here, this one got damaged in the process. You can see it creased on top and all the granules are just falling off already. This shingle is gonna be breaking off pretty soon. This one also got kind of damaged. Then, like I said, a lot of these shingles are already showing fiberglass, which means that they're basically non-repairable anymore. They're very brittle. A lot of them are missing the granules already. Like most of the granules have fell off already. Again, you can see what happened here while trying to repair the shingle. This one got damaged.